Assalamualaikum, welcome to Farm Inform. What is the difference between HEPA filters and ALPA filters? Many of you are not familiar with the details of ALPA filters, so you can watch the video. Link is given in description. But here we will only discuss the key differences between the HEPA filters and ALPA filters. HEPA filters and ALPA filters both are the types of aerosol filters which are used in the heating, ventilation and air conditioning system. If you are not familiar with the heating, ventilation and air conditioning system or HVAC, must watch the complete playlist. Link is given in description. So these are the types of aerosol filters which are installed in the HVAC to maintain the clean room status. Here we will discuss the difference between these two filters. Now let's start our video. HEPA filter. HEPA is an abbreviation of high efficiency particulate air filters, and ALPA is an abbreviation of ultra low particulate air filter. Second difference lies in the pore size of these filters. The pore size of HEPA filter is 0.3 micron, whereas pore size of ALPA filter is 0.12 micron. Next difference is on the efficiency. Mean HEPA filters are 99.97 to 99.99% efficient, whereas ALPA filters are more efficient and these are 99.999%. Next difference is the usage or application. HEPA filters are mainly used in the clean rooms of pharmaceutical industries, and you can see these HEPA filters in the clean room of ISO class 5, 6, 7 and 8, whereas ALPA filters are rarely observed in pharmaceutical industries because they are used in the clean rooms which require the production of more sensitive electronic circuits like semiconductors. So ALPA filters are usually installed in the ISO class 3. Next difference is the material of construction. Both HEPA and ALPA filters are constructed from the strands of borosilicate glass microfibers, but the difference is that in the HEPA filters, these strands are randomly arranged and these are not much denser, but in ALPA filters, these randomly arranged borosilicate microfibers are more dense as compared to the HEPA filters. Next one is the types. There are two types of the HEPA filters, H13 and H14, whereas there are three types of ALPA filters and these are U15, U16 and U17. Next difference is the pressure drop. There is less pressure drop observation in the HEPA filters, and when air passes through the ALPA filters, a more drop in pressure is observed. So more precisely, to maintain the same air changes, we required large ALPA filter as compared to the HEPA filter to maintain same air changes in the clean room. So HEPA filters consume less energy, ALPA filters take more energy. And next one is the cost. HEPA filters are less costly as compared to the ALPA filters. Mean cost of ALPA filter is high. Next one is the lifespan. Lifespan of HEPA filter is up to 10 years, but the lifespan of ALPA filter is short as compared to the HEPA filters, and they have the lifespan of 5 to 8 years. So it was all about the basic difference between the HEPA filters and ALPA filters. If you want to read the article on this difference, the link is given in description. You can also visit my website farminform.com to read more interesting articles. If you like the video, share it to others, subscribe my channel. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.